Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to contact HostGator support. Whether you're facing technical issues or just have account questions, reaching their team is simple once you know where to look. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to HostGator.com. You can type the URL directly or just search for HostGator. On the home page, click the Sign In button in the upper right corner. Enter your username and password to log in. Once signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Inside your dashboard, look for a small question mark icon. This is HostGator's support shortcut, and it's easy to miss if you don't know where to look. Click the question mark icon. This will open several support options, including live chat, ticket submission, and phone support. If you prefer speaking with someone directly, select the phone option. You'll see a contact number along with details on support availability. Before you call, have your account number, domain, and problem details ready. This helps support resolve your issue faster. And that's it. You now know how to reach HostGator support quickly and effectively. Remember, having their help just a click or call away makes managing your hosting a lot smoother. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide saves you time next time you need assistance.